Chapter 2 Rocks, Mineral Mixtures. Section 1 The Rock Cycle. Rock. Always changing. A naturally occurring solid mixture of one or more minerals and/or organic matter. Rock cycle. The series of processes in which a rock forms, changes from one type to another, is destroyed and forms again by geological processes. Weathering. The process in which water, wind, ice and heat break down rock. Breaks rock down into fragments, which sedimentary rock is made. Erosion. The process by which wind, water, ice or gravity transports soil and sediment from one location to another. Deposition. The process in which sediment is moved by erosion and comes to rest in a new location. Sediment is deposited in bodies of water and other low-lying areas. Sediment may be pressed and cemented together by minerals dissolved in water to form sedimentary rock. Uplift. Movement within the earth that causes rocks inside the earth to be moved to the earth's surface. When rock is uplifted to surface, weathering, erosion and deposition begin. Magma. The hot liquid that forms when rock partially or completely melts. 3 ways magma can form. 1. When rock is heated. 2. Pressure is released. 3. When rock changes composition. Freezes between 700 degrees and 1250 degrees Celsius. Composition. The chemical makeup of the rock. Describes either the minerals or other materials in the rock. Limestone equals 95% calcite and 5% aragonite. Granite equals 55% feldspar, 35% quartz and 10% biotite mica. Texture. The quality of a rock that is based on the sizes, shapes and positions of the rock's grains. Examples equals fine-grained, medium-grained or coarse-grained texture. Can provide clues as to how and where the rock formed. Section 2 Igneous rocks. Igneous rock forms when hot, liquid rock, magma, cools and solidifies. Are located above and below the surface. Felsic rocks. Igneous rocks that are light in color and rich in elements such as aluminum, potassium, silicon and sodium. Examples equals granite and rhyolite. Mafic rocks. Igneous rocks that are dark in color and rich in calcium, iron and magnesium, poor in silicon. Examples equals gabbro and basalt. Intrusive igneous rock. Rock formed from the cooling and solidification of magma beneath the Earth's surface. Usually have a coarse-grained texture. Cools very slowly and forms minerals that are large, visible crystals. Common intrusive shapes equals plutons, batholiths, stocks, dikes and sills. Intrusive igneous rock. Extrusive igneous rock. Rock that forms as a result of volcanic activity, at or near the Earth's surface. Also called lava rocks. Common around volcanoes. Cools quickly and contain very small or no crystals. Extrusive igneous rock. Lava plateau. When a large amount of lava flows out of fissures onto land and covers a large area. Pre-existing landforms are often buried by these lava flows. Section 3 Sedimentary rock. Sandstone. When sand grains are compacted or compressed and then cemented together. One of the many types of sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock. Through erosion, rock and mineral fragments are moved from one place to another and eventually deposit in layers. As new layers arrive, old layers are compacted and cemented together, binding minerals and rock together. Form at or near the Earth's surface. Forms without heat and pressure. Most noticeable feature is the layers/strata. Fossils can only be found in sedimentary rock. Strata. Horizontal layers of rock. Clastic sedimentary rock. Forms when rock or mineral fragments, called clasts, are cemented together by minerals such as calcite or quartz. Classified according to the size of the fragments, fine, medium and coarse-grained. Chemical sedimentary rock. Forms from solutions of dissolved minerals and water. When minerals crystallize out of a solution, such as seawater, to become rock. Example equals halite. Organic sedimentary rock. Forms from the remains or fossils of once living plants and animals. Example equals many limestone made of skeletons of tiny organisms, coral. Example equals coal. Stratification. The process in which sedimentary rocks are arranged in layers. Differ from one another depending on the kind, size and color of their sediment. Section 4. Metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock. Rocks in which the structure, texture or composition of the rock have changed. All metamorphic rock has one of two textures, foliated or non-foliated. Metamorphism when rocks change shape. All three types of rock can be changed by heat, pressure or a combination of both. Contact metamorphism when rock is heated by nearby magma. Occurs near igneous intrusions. Regional metamorphism. When pressure builds up in rock that is buried deep below other rock formations, or when large pieces of the Earth's crust collide with each other. Causes rock to become deformed and chemically change. Occurs over thousands of cubic kilometers deep within Earth's crust. Regional metamorphism. Foliated. The texture of metamorphic rock in which the mineral grains are arranged in planes or bands. Usually contain aligned grains or flat minerals such as mica or chlorite. Example equals shale slate, phyllite, schist gneiss. Foliated. Non-foliated. The texture of metamorphic rock in which the minerals are not arranged in planes or bands. Commonly made of one or only a few minerals. Example equals quartz sandstone, quartzite. Or limestone, marble. Deformation. A change in the shape of a rock caused by a force placed on it. Folds or bends in rock.